Shri Gurupyo Namaha. Namaskaram. I am Gopika, learning Bharatanatyam under the guidance of Guru Srimati Jaladeepa Sasikumar. I am here to share some information about Bharatanatyam and I am extremely pleased to do it. Bharatanatyam, which is also known as Sadaratam, is one of the 8 classical dances of India. It originated in the Tanjavur district of Tamil Nadu. Bharatanatyam is known for its grace, purity, tenderness, and sculpturesque poses. Lord Shiva is considered to be the creator of this dance form. With the origination of temples in Tamil Nadu, Bharatanatyam soon became an important part of South Indian temples. Temple dancers known as Devadasis, who were dedicated to serve the Lord as dasis or servants, performed this dance form, which soon became an important part of South Indian rituals. It is believed that Bharatanatyam was revealed by Lord Brahma to Bharata, a famous sage who then codified this sacred dance to a Sanskrit text called the Natya Shastra, which is the principal work of dramatic theory encompassing dance and music in classical India. The name of this dance form was derived by joining 2 words, Bharata and Natyam, where Natyam in Sanskrit means dance and Bharata is a mnemonic comprising Bha, Ra and Ta. Here, Bha means Bhava, that is emotions and feelings, Ra, Raga, melody, and Ta, Tala, that is rhythm. Thus, traditionally, the name refers to a dance form where Bhava, Raga, and Tala are expressed. As a diverse art form, it is inevitable that Bharatanatyam has itself split into various forms that include Melatur, Pandanallur, Valuvur, Kalakshetra, and few more. Each style has its own sequence of basic steps and its own way of presenting bhavam, ragam, and talam. The Melatur style focuses on abhinaya and requires the most flexibility for its movements. It is also regarded for its crisp footwork. The Pandanallur style incorporates the feminine style of dance through its deep sitting positions in slow and difficult to execute dances. The Valuvur style is a vibrant synthesis of Natya and Abhinaya. The Kalakshetra style is noted for its angular, straight, ballet-like aesthetics and the avoidance of rechakas and of the uninhibited throw of the limbs. There are few more styles in Bharatanatyam. Each style has its own importance, which are currently in progress. At the functional level, the dance has 3 aspects: Nrita, Nritya, and Natya. Nrita is a pure dance which is a combination of abstract dance movements with rhythm but without expressions or emotions. Nritya is a combination of rhythm with expressions to portray emotions and express themes. Natya is a dramatic aspect of a stage performance that includes spoken dialogues and mimes to convey meaning and enact narrative. Scriptures like the Natya Shastra and Abhinaya Darpana classify the elements of dance in great detail. The basic unit of dance in Bharatanatyam is the Adavu. Adavus give Bharatanatyam a special look. For instance, many Adavus are executed with the position called Araimandi or the half-sitting posture. Some Adavus are synchronized with rhythmic syllables or solocutters that put together the steps of the Adavu in a sequence. Few examples of Adavus are Tattadavu, Nattadavu, and Tattimettadavu. The hand gestures used in Bharatanatyam are called hastas. For example, the Pataka hasta is a gesture where the hand and fingers are held flat. It is used to denote me, you, to show the way, etc. There are some more hastas used in Nritta that do not convey any meaning, known as Nritta hastas. For example, the Tripataka hasta is a gesture which is a Nritta hasta used in Natadavu. The facial expressions used in Bharatanatyam are called Abhinaya. Abhinaya is used by a dancer to communicate an inner experience of emotions to the audience. Further, Abhinaya is classified into Angika Abhinaya, which is bodily gestures, Vachika Abhinaya, which is verbal like song, Aharya Abhinaya, which is ornamental description, and Satvika Abhinaya, which is the depiction of mental state of mind. In Bharatanatyam, there are 9 emotions known as Navarasas. They are Shringara, Veera, Karuna, Adbhuta, Hasya, Raudra, Bhayanaka, Bibhatsa, and Shanta. The Drishti Bheda, eye movements, the Griva Bheda, neck movements, the Shiro Bheda, head movements, and the Pada Bheda, which is the Abhinaya of Pada, play an important role in Bharatanatyam. To be short, Adavus and Nritta hastas is the foundation of Nritta. Adavus and the full range of hastas with Abhinaya makes up Nritya. The use of Abhinaya and character makes up Natya. Bharatanatyam is almost 2000 years old and has survived all these years as a beautiful and majestic art form. I like to thank my teacher Guru Srimati Jaladeepa Sasikumar for providing me such a great opportunity to share some information about this divine art. So let us keep learning Bharatanatyam and make our tradition live forever. Thank you.